This is the waterfall braid technique. Grab a small section near your part and sweep it back. Divide it into 3 sections and create a few stitches of a standard crossing over type braid. The next time it's the lower strand's turn to cross, set it aside instead by sweeping it forward. Next, pick up a small section of hair from right behind the set aside section. Carefully separate and smooth the new section from the rest of your hair, and then cross it over the center section of your braid. Cross over the part side section like a regular braid, and then sweep and secure the lower section forward and away like in the previous step. Again, pick up a new small section of hair from right behind where the now free section came from, and use it to cross over the braid. Repeat this step to make as many waterfall stitches as you like.